What's going on, guys? Jay Freeze Reviews here with another basketball card opening. So this time we have 92-93 Fleer Ultra. So you can see on there we have collect Scottie Pippen career highlights, limited edition subset, details on back. So kind of cool. Yeah, you gotta send some stuff in, but you know, let's see what we get. This is another, I'm going to open all three of these and see what we get in here. So 92, 93, we still have numbered cards in here. Pull. My very first Fleer card opening. So we got Michael Cage, Brad Daughtry, Reggie Lewis, LaSalle Thompson, Chris Mullin, Horace Grant, Darrell Walker, Wayman Tisdale, Lennon Spencer, John Starks, Chris Shackelford, or Charles Shackelford, what am I saying? Doug Smith, Brian Shaw, and John Stockton. So very cool. We got John Stockton there. I like it. So I'm a fan of Stockton, NBA leader in his career assist. So what are your thoughts, guys? Have you ever opened any of these older packs? Now I'm going on almost 30 years old, so. All right. So we got B.J. Armstrong, George McLeod. Spud Webb, very cool. Tony Smith, Harris Hawkins, Randy White, Tyrone Corbin. I think there's some stuck together. Dan Dre Reynolds, and so Karl Malone, very cool. And it's interesting to see, I think that's his Lakers jersey as well. So yeah, the mailman. That's very cool. Nice card right there. It's fitting that we got both of those. So all right, so last pack of this opening. So I appreciate it, guys, and hope you enjoyed. Please make sure, like I said, you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to check out some more openings in the future. David Robinson, nice card. Willie Anderson, Gilman, Grant Long, Jill Knight, Derek Coleman, Sam Perkins, Hakeem Olajuwon, nice card. AJ English, Romeo, and J.R. Reed. So, alright, guys. That's what we got for the opening today. And fittingly, at least in my opinion, Karl Malone and then John Stockton card from 92-93. So, hope everyone has a great day. Cheers.